Hey everyone, here's a little video just to show you how you can use Google Slides with Autocrat to send out your holiday cards. And I've started here with an example. So I've just got in here some text, wishing you a very Merry Christmas from myself. And I've put here dear name, and I've included the tags that we would use for Autocrat. The image itself is inserted, just a GIF that I've downloaded off the internet and is inserted as a background. So now I've got the slide itself. All I need to do is go to Google Sheets and set up a document, and all I have to do here is set in here, for example, a message. I can pop in an email address in there for me to use, and what I'm going to do now is go to add-ons and use Autocrat. So I'm going to launch Autocrat. If you haven't got it, just go to add-ons and get the add-on, and it starts to work here for us in exactly the same way as it would if we were using it for a mail merge. We're going to create a new job for it, and I'm going to call this one Christmas cards. Okay, and I'm going to get my example, my template from Drive. So I'm going to go to Drive. It might pop up automatically, or I might just have to search for it. Let's see what happens. There we go, Christmas cards, that one there, bring a Christmas card. So I'm just going to click on that, and it's going to now start to find the tags. So I can click next. I can make sure I use the right sheet in my spreadsheet, and it will pick up the header rows that we've got here. And I just want to match the name to what is name field in my spreadsheet. I can then go to next. I can give it a file name. So I'm going to choose a $ name field. That's going to bring through the person's name, and Christmas card. That's what it's going to be named. It's going to be a Google slide. It's going to go into a folder in my Drive. I'm going to add the condition that it will only do it if there's an email address in there. I'm going to share the doc as anyone with the link can view. And I'm going to send it from a no reply email address. And I'm going to say that we're going to find here email. And the subject is going to be wishing you a very Merry Christmas. And that's fine. So I'm just going to go to next. I can run it on a form trigger, but there isn't a form attached to this, or I can run it on a time trigger. So I'm just going to select that that's going to run every hour. And that way, if any information gets added to that, every hour that's going to update. And I'm going to click Save. So now what I can do is I can run my job. And Autocrat will work its magic in the background. It's telling me that one row is going to be merged. You can see it started working in the background there. And as soon as it's ready, we'll see what the finished article would look like. There we go. So you can see it's named it Darren and Claire's Christmas card. And if I pop on there, I've obviously got edit access because I've created it. But I can go on here, and you can see Dear Darren and Claire, wishing you, and so on. Okay, so that's worked brilliantly to personalize it. And using my spreadsheet, I just need to add more names and more email addresses.